Do you think AI in the future can ever replace artists?
Ever is a very long, very strong word, but my gut feeling says no, because there is something that is the ruh, the atma of the art form that I don't think generative art will ever really capture. There is something that goes deeper than that. So it will come very close where you might not be able to tell for a while, but you will be able to tell if a human has created it or not.
So essentially, AI can only replicate but not produce.
There is generation, there is combinatorial creativity, and then there is inspired creativity. And I think humans are unique because they can do inspired creativity. And I really hope that continues.